Hi.
Hi.
We're eating some brownie we just made about an hour ago. Pretty good.
They're delicious.
Yeah. Tastes pretty good. It's not cooked all the way though.
It isn't.
No.
But
Look at it. Oh yeah.
it's like really gross.
We got up about an hour and a bit ago, and it's 1:04 right now. Then we just decided to make some brownies. Pretty good.
Yeah.
She can't say anything besides yeah. Right?
No.
Oh, by the way, my name's Maisie.
I'm Amanda.
That's Amanda. Maisie. I don't usually look like this. I look like this. But it's early in the morning.
It's
And-
1:05, we told.
And I usually look better. So,
I usually have makeup on. But
yeah, me too.
and my hair is usually good, but it's not right now.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyways. So you could maybe I don't know, subscribe or whatever you do on this.
Subscribe.
Or something like
I
that.
don't know. I haven't been on YouTube in a while.
Me too. So, if you like this, you could send a message to us.
Or comment.
We only like nice comments, not hard comments. Or
I remember when we did another video, we like my cat thing by in there. Yeah, that wasn't nice.
No, it was not nice at all.
You hurt our feelings.
Yeah, whoever that was.
I think it was Quinn.
Who? Quinn.
Chambers, the chubby one.
He's nice.
Yeah.
Oh.
Watch our video.
Anyways, we're gonna go. Cause, yeah.
Yeah, thanks for doing all that.
Yeah. Okay, bye.